Hello, welcome to Learning Programming with JavaScript number 24. I'm going to show you how to make a cool scrolling code effect using the little programming knowledge we have so far. This is going to be using what we learned in the last tutorials about ASCII character codes. We're going to generate random characters. So to begin, just to show you again how to output text, you do document.body.textContent equals whatever string you want to set it to. I'm doing hello world. Save this, and now if you open your HTML file in your console, you will see this says hello world. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to style this to a dark green theme. And now in this tutorial I'm going to show you a little shortcut for setting the style. We're going to use a local variable s and store the document.body.style there. So this way, instead of writing document.body.style each time, we can just do s.whatever style variable we want. So first of all, I'm going to set the background color to black. I'm going to set the font color to green. And I'm going to set the font size to 30 pixels. And finally, I'm going to set the font family to monospace because basically all programming text editors and consoles use monospace fonts. So now, if we look at this, you can see this now has this nice code style, I think. And now a key thing for what we're going to do here is actually do vertical text. To make the font go vertical, we're going to do we're going to set the style writing mode to vertical LR, vertical left to right. And then we're also going to need to set the text orientation to upright. Now, if we look at our text, you can see hello world goes down vertically. So this is very important because now I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to generate random characters. So to do this, we're going to create a function. I'm going to call it update. What we're going to do in update is we're going to add a random character to the body text content. So what we're going to do is once the text content has reached 1,000 characters or a certain length, we're going to start to cut it off and slice it using substring. So this will either select the full text content text or limit it to 1,000 once it reaches that. And then right here we're going to add on our random character, which if you followed the last tutorial, we just do string.fromCharCode, whatever ASCII character we want to start from. I'm going to start at the very beginning from space, which is 32, and then we're going to add our random number. And I'm going to do the full spectrum, so we're going to add 96, and now this should add random characters. And now to have this repeat on a delay, we're going to use the function setTimeout. This is provided by JavaScript. So we can pass our update function actually to setTimeout like this, and then give the milliseconds of delay we want. So for example, if we want it to update once per second, we would do 1,000 like this. I almost forgot a parentheses right here. Okay, once you have this, we need to start it all off by calling our update function here. And this will start the loop of calling update over and over again. So now you can see each second it adds a new random character. So if we go and speed this up and change this from 1,000 to 100, you can see here now it just generates our scrolling text. There you go. I thought this was a cool little tutorial we could do. I hope you like it. You can actually fiddle around with these settings and maybe generate different characters, get different patterns. This should be a fun little program for you to mess around with. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.